Good afternoon. In this video, we're going to go over this week's options watch list. Before I get to the watch list, if you're not in the room, you can find the link in the description of the video and in my bio section of social media accounts. Also, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. With that said, looking at the put to call ratio right now, it's extremely low. It's down at 0.43. Definitely everyone is on the put side, so that's a recipe for a short squeeze. So definitely keep an eye on that tomorrow. Now looking at the economic calendar for the week, Monday. Got some Fed speakers throughout the day. I'm not even bothered to list the times or who they are. Every morning you should check your economic calendar because things just pop up. So it's always good, even though I cover it in the weekly watch list. I mean, there's been days where I look in the morning and something's added or something's been changed. So always look at the economic calendar and the put to call ratio every single morning. Yeah, so Monday, Fed speakers, I said. Tuesday, we have really not much going on. Wednesday, we got core retail sales at 8:30. We got Powell speaking at 1:30. What is he speaking for? Some economic club in Chicago. So Thursday, unemployment claims at 8:30. Not much. And Friday is Good Friday. Friday will be closed, so because Easter's next weekend, next Sunday. So not much I'm really looking at. I mean, VIX had a major pop on this past 2 weeks. So with the tariffs and stuff, and red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle. So if VIX gets under 35, it's probably going to shoot down to probably 20. We could probably see VIX down to 20 again, especially with the put to call ratio so high. We're probably going to see a short squeeze this week. So definitely looking for VIX to get back to 25 or 20 unless something manages to happen and the market starts freaking out again. So with that said, I'm looking for SPY over this high on Friday, which is what, the 536. So anything over 536, we'll push to 540. We get some gaps to fill over 550 to 560, 565. So 550 will be a pretty big number, and if we do manage to get over that, we're probably going to shoot to 560, 565, 570, 575. So have to see what happens with that. Now, if it does manage, the market does manage to drop more and freak out more, we'll definitely keep an open mind. Watch it underneath. The ranges have been ridiculous on SPY. Underneath 530 for a push to 525, 520, 515, 510. I mean, we get to 510, we're probably going to shoot down to 500. So I think we're going to have a short squeeze. We're going to probably pop to 560, 565 this week. I could be wrong, but we'll just see what happens. BA is another one I'm looking at. BA is got a nice consolidation right here, right around the 155, 156 area. It gets over the 158. We're probably going to shoot to 160, 165, 170. So BA definitely could get a little pop out of that. Apple definitely looks a little better, a lot better, pretty much the same. And Apple's just been crazy. I mean, look at the daily. It gets over this 200 level. Apple's probably going to shoot to 205, 210. It gets over this 208, 207 area. Gets to 210. We're probably going to fill the gap to 220, 225. So Apple's got some potential right there. Microsoft, pretty much the same thing. It does manage to get over 390. Probably going to shoot to 395, 400. It gets over 400, which is where it's been finding resistance. Probably gonna see 405, 410. So I'm basically looking forward for a short squeeze the next couple days. Who knows where we go from there? I mean, it's kind of hard to predict the future based on tariffs, retaliation, and other things that are going on. So a lot going on. We'll have to see if we actually have a short squeeze. If we don't, we'll adjust and we'll take it day by day based on pre-market action. So that's why you need to be in the room. We just make changes on the fly based on news and the way the chart looks. So that's why you need to be in the room, and that's going to do it. So thanks for watching.